Airtight Fridge Seals, free and fast express delivery to all of Australia.
G'day mates! Today I'll show you a super handy trick. How to adjust your fridge so the door shuts all by itself. This little adjustment can save power, keep your food fresher, and stop you from yelling at the kids to close the fridge properly. Step 1. Open and check. First, open up both the fridge and the freezer doors. You'll notice the fridge door doesn't quite pull itself in anymore. That's what we're about to fix. Step 2. Find the adjuster leg. Now down at the bottom of the fridge, you'll see a small leg or adjuster. That's what controls the tilt. If your fridge isn't tilted back just enough, the door won't close on its own. Step 3. Tools you'll need. Here's what you'll need: a hammer, a chisel, and maybe a mate to help you gently lift the fridge. Nothing too fancy. Step 4. Adjust the leg. Wind that leg right up to the maximum height. Step 5. Balance check. Now, step back and have a look. Make sure the fridge isn't leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Check both sides so it's even and give it a little shake. If it wobbles, just tweak the leg again until it's nice and steady. Step 6. Test the door. Alright, moment of truth. Close the fridge door slowly and watch. See that? It pulls in and shuts all on its own. Beautiful! Just let it go and it'll take care of itself every time. Freezer note. One quick tip: with the freezer, you'll still need to give it a proper push. That's normal. And that's it. A quick little job that makes a big difference. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more home tips, and drop a comment if your fridge has ever driven you nuts by staying open. Catch you next time!
Airtight Fridge Seals, free and fast express delivery to all of Australia.